Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday again, and welcome to week 7 of our Halloween Memory Decks card series that I am doing in collaboration with Armin, Happy Mail Queen. And this week we're super excited. We have Anna, Serenity Creations, as our special crafty guest. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much, Anna, for agreeing to be our guest this week. I love Anna's channel. And her energy and just everything she creates. So I'm super excited to see what both Anna and Armin have created this week. So this week the theme was Chunky Monkey, or Chunky and Layered Memory Decks cards. And I'll go ahead and share some of the things I used on my Memory Decks card this week. I went with a different paper collection. I went with Fancy Pants Designs, and it's a little scary. I picked this one up a couple weeks ago from a Cherry on Top online store, and it's just a really cute, fun little collection. This is all I picked up, the 6x8 and the ephemera packs, so I thought it would be a fun little challenge to make the Memory Decks card just using those few things. And then I did end up using one of these little glittery crow stickers from Michael's from a couple years ago, and then this nesting die set that I've had in my stash for a while too. I used this set here. I thought it was a cute shape for a Memory Decks card, and it's by Alina Cuddle or Alina Craft, and I did use the 3rd and 4th sizes up from the biggest, and then also my Memory Decks card punch. So the reason I changed it up this week was because my box is just full, and with the cards that I've created so far using the 31 paper collection, and I've had so much fun using it. I could never get tired of it. I love this collection, but I thought it would be fun to use some of my other paper collections. I have quite a few for Halloween, and I just think they're all fun collections. So here's my little card. I only ended up making one this week. It's just been busier than I had planned. So I did use the nesting die set, and I cut these 2 layers here for the base of the Memory Decks card, and everything is layered with lots of foam tape in between. So that's how it got kind of chunky, but I think it could have been like more dimensional, but I still think it turned out cute, and I was happy to use like all the different layers and ephemera pieces, which is a little different for me. So I did the base that way, and then I added this little strip of accordion folded paper to give it more dimension, and then I added some of the ephemera, this pumpkin here, super cute, and I love this little witch. She's my favorite little piece from the ephemera pack. I love the blue hair, and she's just so cute, so I had to use her. And then a little lollipop in her hand, and then I went over and stitched the outline on this sentiment piece. It says Simply Spooktacular, and I also stitched along the pumpkin. You can't see it too well. I did try to use a blue that matched her hair, so it's kind of light, but in person you can see it a little bit better. And then I added some pom-pom trim here, Nouveau drops, and here's where I added the little crow sticker, and then this other little sticker. It's a foam glittery spider web that I had in my stash, so I added that. Some little pearls there, and a little bat on acetate on the top here. So that's my little chunky layered card, and I think it turned out cute, and I think this paper collection is just so fun. So I did have fun making this week with that paper collection. So I'll go ahead and link Anna's video and channel in the description box below, and Armin's as well, so you can check them out. And again, thank you so much, Anna, for being our guest this week. I can't wait to see both their videos, and thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching, and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.